As a college student, we always hear that we should save the money, but I decided to take a risk, and I decided not only to save but to invest in what is considered as a very complex topic by students. I invested in stocks. And what happened after that is life changing for a young college student like me and has a potential to change your life too. So I request you to stick to the video till the end. In 2021, we were renovating our house. So my father asked me to bring the material electrician needed. There was a long list of things that were needed. So I asked electrician uncle of which brand material should I purchase, and he told me the name of company. The company I absolutely love, the company in which I invested my savings, and the company which doubled my money in few years, and the name of company is
polycab. That's the buzzer. It's a 5% rally now on that stock, 70% higher for the year.
When we started a firm named Polycab.
Later on that day, I purchased the material of polycab, and right after that, I started to dig the company. I saw its financial performance, read their annual reports, and tried to understand the business of company. And although it was a very new company in the stock market, I believe it will grow very well in future, because it's clearly visible that India's population is growing, people have more money to spend, and government is doing huge capex. All things were in favor of a business. This time, my gut feeling and rational thinking matched. So, I withdraw my small savings in February 2022 and purchased only one stock at Rs 2300. Then, Polycab was at its all-time high and considered as overvalued stock. Many advised me not to buy on such a high price, but I knew if I stay invested in it for a long time, I will generate return that I can't imagine. After that, share price started to fluctuate. It went up and down continuously. But this time, unlike Zomato, I bought more and more when share price went down, because I had faith in Polycab. I knew their business model, I knew their future plans, and I knew the competitive edge they had in their business. So I kept buying. After some time, share price started to increase. Still, I was purchasing 1-2 stocks. I did my last purchase in November 2022 and started focusing on other companies, letting Polycab to grow. Polycab share was moving very slowly, but I knew when it will move very rapidly, and I would not be able to catch that rally, and same damn thing happened. In August of 2023, Polycab closed on Rs 501.27, moving from 2,580 rupees in just few months. And because of this, I am in a profit of massive 125%, and technically, I doubled my money in less than 2 years. You know, that's how stocks moves. Whole year they will not give any return or might even give negative returns. But in very short period of time, they will recover and give massive return as I received. In order to generate good returns in stock markets like me, you should understand the business of company like I did. You should have faith in company like I had. And you should have confidence to buy shares regardless of what other people say about valuation. These are the lessons I learned from mistakes I made in my investing journey. And I feel you should not repeat those mistakes. If you want to find stocks like Polycab, the trick is simple, friends. Become a good observer. Look outside, look in the future. See which product, which businesses are in demand. In my case, I was lucky enough to observe that India will need large amount of cables and wires in future. So, I invested in Polycab. Once you spotted such business, next step is go deep inside it. Read about it, do its analysis, and if you find it feasible, you should invest in it. I will share how I like to study the businesses, and I will share some businesses that I already studied. So, you would like to subscribe this channel. You see, friends, investing is pretty thrilling task. When you see stock you hold goes up, it gives you adrenaline rush. But at the same time, investing can be pretty frightening. When we see our shares price goes down, it can be nightmare. Same incident happened with me when I invested in Zomato. But I learned from my mistakes, and if you want to learn from my mistakes, then click on the video and I will see you there. Peace.